Part 3.
Hi, it's part 3. That was part 2. The other one, I forgot to mention, and the other before that one was part 1, guys. So we're going to adventure here into the deep jungles. We are hiking on the jungle, and we have to be very careful. We might fall down. Like what happened on part 1. I was coming down from the secret house and I did boom. I fell down, but I was holding the camera, so it would be recorded. I'll show you guys. Okay, guys. So this is the deadly part, which is very scary. It looks nice, but it's not nice, guys. Now we have to walk carefully down, not fast or slow. We have to walk in this speed, and because here the stones are very sharp, if you fall down on anyone, your head or your body can get cut, and it will start bleeding, and there's nothing to save us. We only need medicine, and those medicines we can't use now, so we have to continue going. So it's better to be on the safe side, going in a kind of slow and not kind of fast speed. So let's go. And we are going like this. And 7 Siddhava Betta. And we are going to go here on the very scary and deadly part. It is too scary. So we have to be very careful, guys. And while coming also, it is like a jawband. If you slide, it will hit your head and you will fall down. It is so risky here, but it is worth it when you find it. So now we are going to come like this, and we have to do a very deadly parkour. If you fall, nobody can help us. So we have to use our stick like this, and we have to just do this. Be very careful in this part. If you fall down, it is a very steep fall down. Okay, guys? Let's continue. Let's wait for the cameraman to come. And we have more deadly parkour. And another deadly parkour. I can't believe there's so many parkours in this place. You guys think, how did you enter? You guys might be correct. Come straight. And now we're going to go. Come on. And after it comes, I'll make it the correct box. So we will get this. And one more thing I forgot to say. Can you comment when you came here and which year and which date? So I will see, guys. And if you want me to come, you can just put it on the chat box. If from Bangalore, you can just come to this place. We will be there shortly after. And 2 to 3 hours. Most deadliest, and it's not much deadly like Mount Kailash and the world's tallest mountain and all. The world's tallest mountain is Mount Everest, which we should not do. And the sea are naughty old monkeys, which always give me a catcher. And I was telling you, you have to never hit a monkey. Just do like this, the monkey went away. And this is even more deadly, guys. I'll show you. Come on. One slip, we are cooked. And you have to stand on this stone, not on these stones. Because if we fall, that's a even more steeper fall. When I'm scared of this, literally, when I'm going, hiya! I got my stick out. Now it is even more deadly, guys. It's super costly. So go make mega slow. Like you should always stand like, never like this, not like this, but like half like this. So when you walk like this, in Himalayas, you know some people carry people. This is the technique I asked them. They stand like this. Monkey, I'm doing a video here. And you have to walk like this and you have to come like this. Okay guys? And when it is deep, you have to move your leg like this, and you have to keep a stick like this. When you reach this here, you just move it. And one more tip, you have to, yeah guys, I just finished this hard parkour and I'll come in a second. My dad is using the jaggy trick, which I got the scary. And one more thing guys, with this part, and when you walk like this, and many things are there. I'm going to show it on chapter 4. See you guys, bye!